Oh, what do you got there? You got a shield?
Ready for the David and Goliath story?
Yep.
Okay. The enemies of God's people came out to
Fight.
They sent their best fighter out first. His name was?
Goliath.
He was over.
9 feet tall.
He called to the army,
Of Saul.
choose a man.
To come and fight me.
If he wins,
You will be your servants.
but if I win, you will be.
Our servants.
The men in Saul's army,
We're afraid.
they knew
I was stronger than I was.
Goliath was stronger than they were. No one wanted to.
Fight me. Let's fight.
Now David's brothers were in
And our
Saul's army.
And I'm sorry.
But David was at home keeping the...
Sheep
One day David's father called him. Take this bread,
to your brothers.
he said. So David got to go to,
His brothers.
he got to see,
The army.
he also got to see,
Goliath.
and he saw how everyone was.
Afraid.
I will fight Goliath, said David. But Saul said,
You're only a boy.
how can you,
Fight Goliath.
God,
God will help me.
said David. So Saul gave David his,
Armor and helmet.
he gave him a,
Sword.
David tried them on, but they were,
Too heavy.
David gave them,
Back to Saul.
I am,
Not to use to these.
he said. Instead,
He will
David chose
find me
5
5
smooth stones.
from the stream.
He took his,
Sneaking in his hand.
David called to Goliath, you,
Come your spear.
but I,
Come to you in the name of God.
this battle,
It's the words. Now we
the
can
giant came closer,
to fight David.
but David put a,
Stone in his name.
he threw,
The stone at Goliath, and Goliath fell down.
Whoa.
the stone hit Goliath right,
And his forehead
and Goliath,
fell down.
David,
Called the Goliath.
David trusted
God
God, helped David,
win
all the people,
for God.
the end.
The
Yay!
Watch.
Very good,
Watch me.
Tristan.
And Goliath fell down.
Yeah.
Can I have a turn doing the story? Please?
Yay!
Please, Mommy.
Very good, Tristan. Give me 5. Oh, that was a sortie 5. Oh, thank you.